Hello everyone, welcome to ZILTX. My name is Paul and I'm here to help you get started. And in this video, I'd like to talk to you about product pages, their significance, and also their importance. If you're on the ZILTX website and on our landing page, click on your avatar and hit Dashboard. You'll be presented with what we call the speed board. Click on Products, and now you've just entered into the Product Administration panel of your profile. You see, by adding products to your profile, you're not just listing items. You're unveiling your capabilities to a broader audience. Each product you add becomes a powerful showcasing on your company profile page, and is predominantly featured in our dynamic product search section. It's not just about visibility, it's an opportunity to demonstrate your craftsmanship and attract new opportunities. Furthermore, these product pages are perfect for building your online social media presence. Share your latest innovations, engage with industry peers, and leverage your ZILTX profile as a springboard for business opportunities and growth. To add a product to your profile, head over to the button Add New. Once you've filled out all the relative information, hit Publish. You'll now see that the new product has now been added to your list of products to manage. If you click on Search, toggle the button, you can now see that clients are able to find your products either through the name or based on location. If they would like to know more information about the product that you're servicing, they can go to the main product profile page where they can get all the information necessary, as well as the contact information of how you can be reached. For more content on how to, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like to know more about ZILTX, please visit us at ziltx.com or join our community at community.ziltx.com. Thank you for watching.